Hello! This is our new Fractal Zones indicator. With it you can have a fractal view of the market and better observe the support and resistance regions involving highs and lows of hours, days, weeks and months. Your decisions as a trader will be even better. I will do a small demonstration of how to insert the indicator in each chart. You can choose between the fractal zone in hour, day, week or month. Notice how much clearer the view of the highs and lows of the selected period is. You get a fractal view of the smaller time frame within the larger time frame. You can freely control the thickness and colors of these regions. You can use the indicator on any time frame you like. Visit now our website indicators4traders.com and buy the Fractal Zones indicator for Ninjatrader 8. Visit now our website indicators4traders.com and buy the Fractal Zones indicator for Ninjatrader 8.